Hello everyone, welcome back to QSlick's channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel subscriptions on Monzo app 2025 step by step. First things first, open up the Monzo app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the payments option located at the bottom of the screen. After that, select See All Pays and then tap on Create a Pay. Now, you'll need to fill out the pay's details. This includes their name, sort code, an account number, whether it's a personal account or a business. Once you've entered all the necessary information, tap Continue. You'll then be taken to a confirmation screen where you can double-check everything. Once you confirm, Monzo will save those pay details to your account. This makes it faster and easier to send money to that person in the future. And that's it. So that's basically how you can act pay on Monzo app.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.